Crispy on the outside, creamy on the inside, these potato crispy rolls are about to take your snack game to the next level. Start with boiling some potatoes, mash them up until smooth and fluffy. Make sure there are no lumps, and this will be our soft and starchy base. Now for the seasoning and binding part, add pinch of salt, some pepper, garlic powder and chili powder, and a spoonful of cornstarch. Mix it all into a smooth and stretchy dough. Now for the fun part, the filling. Combine grated cheese, chopped bell peppers and fresh herbs for that pop of flavor and color. Take a scoop of the potato dough and start flattening it in your palm. Add a spoon of filling and roll it up into a neat little cylinder. Repeat the process for all the cylinders. Cute, right? Now heat a little oil in your pan, just enough to coat the bottom. Once it's warm, gently place in those potato rolls. You'll hear that soft sizzle right away. Let them cook slowly on medium heat. Don't rush this part, the magic happens here. As they turn golden, flip them carefully one by one. Watch that perfect crust form, crisp edges, a light golden glow and that irresistible smell. Once golden and crisp, slice them into bite-sized pieces and arrange on a plate. Serve with spicy mayo or your favorite dip. And there it is, crispy on the outside, cheesy inside, totally irresistible snack.